Hey, this is the InDesign Helper, and today we are going to look at the line tool. We're going to go over here, and the basic function is, well, to make a line. So as you see, all you do is click and drag, click and drag, click and drag. Now, we have different options. We have our points of reference, as we usually do. We could move it here, but usually, you just click and drag it here. You could also distort it, but really it's a line, so it's nothing really to distort. You could just rotate it. And here you could rotate it. You could flip it horizontal, vertical. You could change the color. In addition to that, you could also have the object, the stroke, and the fill, and you could change that. You could even add a drop shadow if you wanted to, or change the opacity. This is something that I don't personally use that often. If I make a line, it's just a strong, thick line just to separate image from text. And even with that, I usually just have negative space. But I definitely think that this is something that you could use incorporating lines and having a great design. Oh, also check out this video here. I'm actually going to be showing you the other tools and how to use them. Comment below what you think, and I'll see you there.